Alright, so we got this one put in. We need to check, make sure our new line's gonna fit. So pull our plug, and I'll let you have that. I'll try and route this so we can make sure this is gonna fit. Put that in there. Okay, so there's something different here. So we might be doing some modifications. That's what I was kind of figuring would happen. This line's just a little bit long, but not bad. Not bad. It seems to fit all right. Now, all right, so what we'll do, let's get our new T in here. Figure out where I want to mount this sucker. So we got our T. Put our T in here. That way we're out of the way of everything. Should point that up when we get done. So I think we're going to cut it right here. We'll cut it. Let me look here. Yeah. We'll cut it right in here. It should give us enough play to do what we need to do. Actually, we'll cut back here just a little bit further. Exit in. That way I got plenty of play right there. It is a little bit tight. See, but we'll leave our turbo hooked up for now, because now we gotta go cut these damn lines. Cut this damn line. All right, get that pulled back out. Get a plug back in here. Got our marks here, so now we can go inside and cut it. It's going to be a long process. Cutting a line takes forever. Alright, let's see what happens. Especially since this is a collision line, it shouldn't take too long. So I got more to hold on to while we do this. I don't have enough stuff up here. No problem. up. Got a chunk of line cut out, and that's about the size we need there. About perfect. Bring this out a little bit, get all the burrs off here. A lot better if I had a better pipe cutter, pipe reamer. Much perfect. Goodness gracious. Okay, there's that one. Oh Jesus. I don't like sticky. I think it makes a difference. Alright, so they're both in. Not tight. Everything turns, so we're good. And all we have to do is go back out, make sure everything is lined up perfect, and tighten it up. Half inch, half inch. So I'll have to grab another half-inch pipe, or half-inch wrench. Alright, so get our light in here again. Alright, so we'll go ahead and repeat our process here and pull our plug out. Run our line back. I have a cat crawling on me. Alright, we got that tight. Look at that. Look at that. Nice and good fit. That'll work real well. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Work great. Oh, there's a half-inch wrench. Oh, look at that. There's 2 half-inch wrenches sitting right here. Of course, this is just for fitment. We don't really care which way this T-fit sets at the moment because we're just getting fitment set up. That way everything's lined up where it needs to be. That way I'm not worried about a whole lot because I'll take it off and set it where I want it to sit. once everything is done. Of course, you want to make sure that nothing's going to leak. So I'm using compressions. I don't have to worry about flaring anything. And normally compressions don't leak, so I'm not worried about that a whole lot. I just got to make sure everything's tight. It seems pretty tight. Oh yeah, it's a little bit long, not horribly, but it fits in there nice and snug. I like it. Yeah, manifold gasket's shot, but we got a new one. So yeah, that'll work great. Look at that. Everything's in there. Let's see, it's just a little bit long, but I can kind of squeeze it to get it in there, so it makes me feel a little bit better. The nut still turns by hand, so we're not at a weird angle or nothing. Everything looks like it lines up real well. Alright. Get that back out. We're done with that. We'll put our plug back in here. Yeah. Nothing turns. It's all solid. O-rings are good, so see it didn't tear up any O-rings getting it put in there, so we'll set that off to the side. We'll see if I can't find my manifold shield sitting around here. We'll kind of look at some other stuff as we know where this goes. And actually, this one does not have the mounting. Oh, there it is. Okay, it's way down there in the bottom. So this manifold shield mounts right in here. So if you notice, our temperature sensor we installed here a while back is right there on the flipping edge of it. I mean, right there on the edge of it. So we'll cut that out. Won't be a big deal. Sorry, our temperature sensor here. If I move it to the side, yep, see, our bolt, mounting bolt for that manifold's down here. So we know it's going to be in the way. I don't know if I'm going to mount that in there or not. Probably what I should have done earlier. Let's see where this all lines up if I decide to use the heat shield. I think it's a pain in the butt, honestly, but it's nice to have sometimes. All right, that's tight in there. There we go. All right, we'll put this manifold shield back in. It's right there on the edge of it. So, if you're on the edge, so probably what I'll do is I'll just cut a little bit off of it. Probably just cut this off right here because it's a brake line. That's what I've got. I've got a brake line bender on my table somewhere. I'll have to look for it. And just bring the line up, bend it over just a little bit, and hook it up. Our new sensor. Everything's falling. Set that off to the side. We don't need it. Pull our hose or feed line. And we'll plug it back up because it is out in the shop where a cat likes to knock on stuff.